In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a customer list to FreshBooks. If you've been keeping your client details in a spreadsheet and you're ready to bring them into FreshBooks, this quick walkthrough will get you there fast. All you need is access to your FreshBooks account and a customer list file. CSV is the most common format. Having clean column headers like first name, last name, company, and email will make the process smoother. First, open your browser and sign in to your FreshBooks account to land on the dashboard. This is your home base where you can see outstanding invoices, recent activity, and navigation on the left. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct business if you manage more than one, so the clients go to the right place. Next, head to the Clients area. You'll find Clients in the main navigation. Click it to open your client list. On this page, you'll see any existing clients and a few controls at the top for adding or managing records. From here, look for the More Actions menu. Click it, then choose Import. This opens the import flow. FreshBooks will prompt you to upload your file, so browse to your CSV or spreadsheet and select it. Before you proceed, it helps to quickly scan your file. Make sure each client has one row, emails are valid, and there aren't extra header rows or merged cells. If your file includes optional details like phone or address, that's fine. FreshBooks lets you map only the columns you need. After you upload, you'll typically see a field mapping screen. Match your file's columns to FreshBooks fields, such as mapping client name to organization or first name and last name, and email to email. If you see any unknown columns, set them to skip so nothing odd imports. Some systems also let you decide how to handle duplicates. When available, choose the option that best fits your workflow, like updating existing records using email as a unique identifier. Use the preview to spot check a few rows. Look for misplaced data, like names in the email field, and correct the mapping before continuing. When everything looks right, confirm the import and let FreshBooks process the file. Larger lists may take a moment. When it's done, return to the Clients page and refresh to see your new customers listed. If any rows failed, FreshBooks will provide notes so you can fix the file and try again. That's it. Simple and fast. You went from dashboard to clients to more actions and imported your list. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.